Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Bonnie Divine. If it's your first time, don't forget to subscribe. And today I will be doing a lace front wig review, and I'm really excited to share this with you all because I got a really great deal for this wig. So let's get started. If you don't have Amazon Prime, you need to sign up because you can get your products in 2 days. All right, so the lace front wig comes in a box like this. It's a little beat up right here, but that's okay. It's a cute box, right? And it says, "Your beauty, my duty." Okay, so let's see what this wig is talking about. I'm super excited, y'all. Watch when I get into the specs of this wig. You guys are gonna be like, oh my God. Okay, I am so excited. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. This is what it looks like inside the box. All right, so it comes with a wig cap. You know we gotta have a wig cap. As you all can see, I actually have a wig band on because I don't want to put any glue on my head. It's actually the end of the day and I just kind of want to put it on, get a feel for it, because after this I'm hopping in the bath and I'm taking care of myself and I need to relax, okay? But I was like, hold up, I gotta see the wig before we do anything, because I'm just super excited and this deal was phenomenal. Okay, so let's see what we're working with here. All right, we got things flying out. Oh, so far so pretty. So far so pretty. Oh my goodness, y'all. I am absolutely loving this already. I mean, I haven't even done anything yet and it's just, okay, let's get a close-up. This hair feels so good. Okay, let me get into the details, right? So you all know what we're working with here, because this wig looks absolutely gorgeous, okay? Okay, so this is a water wave lace front wig, 13x4 in a color 1B, and this is 22 inches. And y'all, guess how much this wig was? Can you even? And this is a human lace front wig, okay? This is why I love Amazon, okay? This wig right here, this really pretty wig, was $65. Can we just take a moment? $65 for a 22-inch water wave lace front wig, human hair. What? Okay, you know, we got the standard combs inside. You know, you got 2 combs here, one at the top, one at the bottom, although I don't really ever use the combs, so yeah. This is what the lace looks like. And just so you all know, I'm not good at bleaching knots or any of that. I literally just cut the lace and put it on my head. But let's see what it looks like without cutting it first. Let's see. Okay, I absolutely love this wig. It looks so pretty, y'all. I'm gonna have to cut it. Let's see if we have some baby hairs. Do we have a little? We have a little bit of baby hair around. Oh my gosh, the hair feels super soft. I know sometimes girls are like, does the hair stink? You know, things like that. But to me, it smells like a regular lace front wig. If you don't know what a lace front wig smells like, then get a lace front wig. If you get a lace front wig often, you'll know what the lace front wig smells like, okay? But this is literally straight out of the box and it is so pretty. Like, I absolutely love it. Do y'all see that? Really nice, really nice. I mean, I'm really satisfied with this. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna cut the lace and I'll be right back and we will see what this looks like. Okay, so I went ahead and I cut the lace and I really love this look. Clearly when I style it, I'm definitely gonna have to lay down the lace and do some baby hairs, you know what I mean? because you can see the lace, and I might cut it a little bit more. But other than that, this hair is fantastic. You know, this doesn't have any product in it, you know what I mean? So I'm really excited to put product in it, to see what the water curl pattern really is and see if we can get it really juicy. But I really like how this looks as well. I mean, it is really pretty. Like, the curls are curling, the hair is soft, and I really, really like it. I wasn't expecting it to turn out like this. I feel like it is full. Now, you know, I'm definitely gonna have to give it a few weeks to see how the wig does. I'm actually gonna go on a trip to Austin next week. That's why I got, you know, something new, so I can have my Austin vibe going on with my new Austin wig look. So I'm gonna see how this does in Austin, and how it takes the heat, even though I'm in Arizona, but you know, it's still hot in Austin too. But you know, we're gonna see how this wig does out there, and I'm really excited. I think that this look is just looking and it's just really, really pretty. It's really, really gorgeous. And again, it was only $65. Okay, like, here's the thing, like, to me the quality feels amazing. Again, I need to see how the months go, you know, wearing it. But here's the thing, there are synthetic wigs that are like $65, right? So to come up on a human lace front wig for $65, that is 22 inches, that's a deal. Okay, like, that is an absolute deal. And so I'm really happy with this. I think this is really, really cute. I feel like it really just fits me perfectly, you know what I mean? I'm feeling it. I'm absolutely feeling this lace front wig. So if you're interested in purchasing this wig, I will leave the information in the description box below. That way you can purchase you one. And they do have different lengths as well that are really, really great prices as well. I think there's like 24, 28, even 30 inches. I think it's like, it's not that expensive. I'm thinking like 100, 150 maybe for like the longer lengths, you know what I mean? Like, and again, this was $65, y'all. $65 for these juicy juice, okay? So yeah. And again, yes, we can see the lace and everything, but you know, once you do the baby hairs, you know, you're in the game. You know what I mean? Like, you are in the game. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in the next video. And again, don't forget to subscribe if it's your first time. Don't forget to subscribe. If you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs up anyways, okay? If you love the video, give me a thumbs up. If you hated the video, give me a thumbs up. Whatever you do, give me a thumbs up. And I pray that you all have a wonderful and blessed day.